Hi everyone, Miss K here, and today we are going to practice using our whole scale from C up to upper C. And we did that in the last video, around about page 28 in your Team Brass book. Today I'm going to use a different book, ABRSM. I think it might have a green cover now, this is an old version, but this has got lots and lots of great tunes in it, using all of the notes that we know, and some new ones too. So we're going to look at number 33. Number 33, Yankee Doodle, which is a song you might have heard before. Before we do that, we are going to practice our scale, and we can do it from either page 28 in Team Brass, or we can just go to the page before Yankee Doodle and do this scale here. We also have the arpeggio, which is a really useful pattern to learn. So, I'm going to put Team Brass down, I'm going to put Abracadabra on the music stand. First of all, we're going to warm up. So can you play me? Let's do some random notes. How quickly can you play me an E? A G. C. B. D. F. G, A, B, and C. We did most of our scale then. Let's try it all the way from the bottom. So starting on C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Great, what about the arpeggio? It uses C, E, G, C, G, E, C. Let's play that. 3, 4. Really, really good patterns to practice. Let's do it quicker. 1, 2, 3. Can we try it slurred? Remember our slurs on page 16 in Team Brass? If we try the arpeggio slurred, just going up, it would sound like this. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going down as well. Okay, now Yankee Doodle, number 33 in Abracadabra. It starts on a G. Now let's have a quick look at the key signature. It has F sharp in it. You've got that hashtag key signature of F sharp, the sharp sign on the top line of the stave. Think of your 5 lines, it's right on the top line there. All your Fs in the tune are going to be F sharp, and it doesn't come until the end of the tune, so don't forget about it. Key signature is F sharp, time signature is 4/4, and look in the first bar, we've got 4 crotchets, that's 4 notes, 4 beats. Okay, I'm going to play it for you. It's got maybe a new rhythm to you as well. See what you think, and if you can hear that new rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where was that new rhythm? Near the end, where the pitch goes quite high towards the end, and you've got the, if you're looking at it, it's on the second line, in the second bar, the upper C has a dot after it. Now a dot means that a note is made longer by half again, so the dot adds on half. So C becomes worth 1.5, and the B that follows it is just the other half, that quaver. So you've got ta-ti-ta, ta-ti-ta. Da, da, da. So I'll play it one more time. Did you spot also, this time I'm going to play it again, listen out for that rhythm, but look for the F sharp and see if you can tell me where the F sharp is in the piece. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Did you spot the F sharp with my second finger down towards the end? If you're looking at the music, it's on the second line, and the second to last bar starts on F sharp. Both of them are F sharp. F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, G. Now, I do like to have some fun with this tune. If I was with you in person, we would be learning this obviously much slower. I'm going to play it slowly in a minute. And gradually, maybe over 2 or 3 weeks, get gradually faster and see how fast you can play it. So what I'm going to do in a minute is play it at a really slow speed so we can practice it. Then I'll do a faster version and a faster and a faster. And you keep practicing with this same video over a few weeks and see how fast you can get Yankee Doodle, not forgetting the F sharps. Probably will help if you break it down and learn it step by step, 2 bars at a time, that kind of thing. And when you're really confident with the notes, that's when you can start to join in with the changes in tempo or speed. Okay, so here's a really slow version. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite slow. You can breathe where you like, but I was breathing really with the words. So, Yankee Doodle went to town, a-riding on his pony, stuck a feather in his cap, and called it macaroni. It's a nonsense song really, but you see where the commas are in the words, that's where I was taking a breath. Okay, so practice it slowly until you've got it. Now, I'm going to do it at a different speed. You might need to come back to this another time. Here we go. Slightly faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to go a bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. How are you doing? I'm going to go a bit faster now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, even faster. 1, 2, 1. And one more. Let's see how you do with this one. All right, so a bit of fun. See how fast you can go on Yankee Doodle, number 33 from ABRSM. Bye-bye.